today is a tutorial about how to make a file, and in this video is a surprise. My friend Dikshita is here.
Okay, let's teach Anjani how to make a file, drawing file, any file. Let's start and let's make materials what we need.
First we need 3 papers,
3 A4 size papers and sketch pens
crayons if you have,
and decorating materials. If you don't have decorating materials also,
just
it's
draw.
okay.
Just draw it if you don't have.
And scale, pen and
Pencil.
Let's start. Take a sheet of paper. Anjani, take a sheet of paper.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, just let's take Fevicol. We need to apply here. See. From here, we need to apply from here. Do Anjani how I said?
Okay. I'll apply.
Let's see how nice she will do. That is her best. Let's see.
Okay. Okay, so we have to do here till here.
No. In the corner. Corner to the corner. After that, I will tell you.
Okay, let's see.
Okay, see how she's putting the glue. Need to put very carefully.
Like I am doing it.
Yeah. Let's see. Anjani, after
Now
you do
you-
the glue, please
you
give
have
me.
to-
I will show like this. See, in the corner she put it, no? Now
you
I will
need
put
to
and
rub
see.
it. You need to rub it
You
because
should not rub it, Anjani.
Okay.
I will also show you how to keep. In the corner, any corner left or right, you can keep. Okay.
Right, Jana?
See, I am keeping the glue.
We have to put it gently. No hurries.
No
This is
hurry.
going to be in 5 minutes.
5 minutes only. It is very easy. If you have hurry also, so much patience. See, I kept no. Now,
Now-
Anjani, I will tell how to do another step. Take one sheet of paper.
Another sheet.
Yeah. Now,
You need to stick it.
stick it and very carefully. If it comes some gadbad, some hurry also, will be some. It will be coming. See,
Nice.
it will be coming like the chart, and here it will be some lines. See, here lines.
Now you can also put the stapler and staple it if you don't have it. You just don't need to apply any glue.
Now we have another paper. Now third paper. See Anjani, what we'll do? Take the scissor and cut the half. So how we'll measure? So we need to
use
measure.
with the scale.
Let's see. See Anjani. From 0 to 15, 12 to 8 to 15. Okay.
Okay.
First, let's measure from 0.
Okay.
We measured. No, we need to measure from 7.
You
Oh,
can
yeah.
use, if you have long scale, you can do it at one time.
Yeah. And see, if it comes like this also, no problem. We'll cut it. No. Now, see how I will cut it. Where we wrote the line, there only you need to cut it. Very careful, okay? Because
Otherwise,
scissor is very hurtful. But we need to make our best, no? That's why we are using scissors. See how I'm cutting. Very gently. No hurry. If you have the hurry, you should not make the file. Okay. Now
Like this.
we need to. Okay, you cut Anjini, or you don't cut here only. It is up to you. Okay, now see how already she cut it.
I cut it.
Now this we have the file. We have the file and we need to fold it in the half. See, it will come like this. Unfold it very gently. Don't do press. Don't do press, Anjini. We need to not press it. Okay. Alright. Now we need to open our file and we have cutted our triangles, no? We need to again apply glue on the corners. Here you need to not apply. This long size is there, no edge. We need to apply there only.
So like this it becomes when you fold it, but don't press it too hard, otherwise the glue will come out.
Yes, and you will also be very tension what to do.
So that's why you need to rub it and then glue, or otherwise don't press it so hard.
Okay. Okay. See now. We should not keep over here, otherwise it will become like this and you will be not able to do the file also. So let's apply the glue here only. Anjini, listen to me.
Okay.
You need to apply on the edge, on the longer side. She's waiting for me and she's seeing what she will do.
Okay, you have to also wait, because if you do anything, then will you know how we've made so nice file?
But we are not doing here. Take my turns rhyme. We are teaching how to do the file. If you apply the glue, do you apply the glue, Anjini?
Okay, I'm applying.
Okay, let's wait for.
It's done.
It's done.
Yeah.
Now, in the file here, show me your file, Anjini. See, over here, let's keep a side. Let's keep a paper, and here, we need to stick the paper.
And remember, if you are only one, then you did not need
No.
to use 6 papers. You just need 3.
See now, here we apply the glue, no? We need to do upside down. Upside down we need to do, okay? And we need to just stick it.
The downside should be blue.
Yeah. And whatever you have brought your materials, you can stick it. Let's see what is in this. Wow, so many. Let's stick this one.
You
Okay.
can stick any beads you have at
Any
your home.
beads you have, you can do it. Okay.
Now, either there is not there.
Either you can keep your exam papers also, old exam papers also, drawing papers also, even your art and craft papers also, your photos also, everything you can keep. But remember, you need to write only one thing. Drawing file means only you need to use drawing file only. Okay?
Otherwise, your paper might be spoiled.
Yes. Okay, let's write it. Okay. Drawing.
Now, after your drawing, show us and tell us in the comments if how you made your file.
Okay.
Let's see after how we make.
Okay. Anjini, take the sketches and decorate.
Now we are going to pause the video. Till that much time, we are going to draw with the sketches. So let's draw. I'm making a
Whatever color you can take, but remember you should not press hard. And you need to write only 5. You should not use like book. If you use like book, you need to draw lines, so many things. But we'll show in the next video. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna not use any materials, but I'm using some of the materials to decorate. See, I wrote drawing file. So I'm going to stick this in the A and R. Let's do it now. Can you give me the glue?
wait second. I'm putting here also.
Like that, if you put the here. See, any decorative materials you need to put only some to look nice. If you put more, no, it will be spoiled and it will look some greasy. Okay. Now another eye. Another.
Can you give me the another eye? So we are going to use here googly eyes.
See, like this. And you can use some materials also. You can do it. Let me use this one. Wow, very nice. You can also decorate. We have only made our materials here. We did not go out and get it.
So we have made these beads with the straws and old bracelets, old dresses. So you can also take the beads from your old dresses, old rubber bands, old hair bands, anything. And I know one trick. Just cut the straw into small pieces. Then you'll get so nice beads like this.
Are you able to see? Okay.
Like this also you can make with paper. You just have to roll the color paper.
Can you give me? Yeah. See, with the red sketch pen you can draw the heart also. See, very nice it will look. We need to color the heart. And you should not press it, very gently.
So,
How will
you
take
color, you can see.
We need to take, see how you take our body utmost care. We should also do this drawing so much utmost.
So let's see next after our drawing.
Okay, see how we decorate it. Like this also you can decorate. And here let's keep something.
I am making a rainbow, so you can get the idea also if you want
And
to
you
make a
can
rainbow.
and you can keep sketch pens also if you like. For the sketch pens you need to stick here also. Here also. You need to stick. And paper, so you can keep like this only. Can you give me a paper after you are drawing? Okay. So like this, we can keep.
In the next video, we are going to tell you how to make googly eyes.
See, like this. See, I get. Here you can draw something and some whatever you want. Whatever. Can you there? I'll show you. See, like this. Drawing
I draw it.
file.
I made it in cursive handwriting. If you know how to write in UCD, then it's more great.
It
Yeah.
is more fun, you know. It will be very nice if you like it in Lucidity, but I also know Lucidity, but I forgot it. Okay, let's start about this Lucidity and draw your best. And if you don't know, also do in the comments box, and we'll make another video. We'll send in the YouTube.
And it will be very easy to make.
Okay, see you next time. Bye.
Bye bye.